There were nights when the wind was so cold that my body froze in bed and I just listened to it right outside the window. There were days when the sun was so cruel that all the tears in the stars, and I just knew my eyes were drying up forever. I finished crying at the instant that you left, and I can't remember where I went or how. And I barely should remember you and I have ever met. But when you touch me like this, when you hold me like that, I just have to admit that it's all coming back to me. When I touch you like this, and I hold you like that, it's so hard to believe, but it's all coming back to me. It's all coming back, it's all coming back to me now. There were moments of gold and there were flashes of light. There were things I'll never do again, but there it always seemed right. There were nights of endless pleasure. It was more than any hours of love. Baby, baby, if I kiss you like this, and if you whisper like that, it was love long ago, but it's all coming back to me. If you want me like this, and if you need me like that, it was that long ago, but it's all coming back to me. It's so hard to resist, but it's all coming back to me. I can barely recall, but it's all coming back to me now. The windows empty threads and hollow lies, and whenever you're trying to hurt me, I just hurt you even worse and so much deeper. They were all set just swimming on for days, when alone at last we count up all our chances that we lost to us forever. But you were history with the slamming of the door, and I made myself so strong again somehow. And I never wasted any of my time on you since then. But when you touch me like this, and you hold me like that, I just have to admit that it's all coming back to me. When I touch you like this, and I hold you like that, it's so hard to believe, but